Hi everyone, welcome to How to Draw Easy Drawing. Today we're drawing a Santa hat and a Christmas stocking. Grab your drawing tools and let's get started. Great job, like, share, and subscribe for more. See you next time.